Best 3 laptops under 70,000 rupees. Coming in at number 1, we have Asus VivoBook 14X OLED. This laptop comes equipped with a mighty Intel Core i5 12450H processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. When it comes to gaming and graphics, it's got you covered with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card, plus a whopping 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a fast 512GB SSD, providing ample storage and speed for your tasks. It has the stunning 14.0-inch OLED display with a 2.8K resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, and 600 nits HDR peak brightness. All of this comes at a competitive price of just 69,990 rupees. Next on our list, we have the HP Laptop 15S. This laptop boasts the 12th Gen Intel Core i7-1255U processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance. The Intel Iris Xe graphics card ensures you can handle all your graphical needs. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a spacious 512GB SSD, it's ready to tackle any tasks you throw at it. And don't forget the 15.6-inch Full HD display with anti-glare technology, perfect for long work sessions. All these features is available at an attractive price of just 68,990 rupees. Last but not least, let's talk about the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5. This laptop is driven by the Intel Core i5 13420H processor, ensuring reliability and performance. While it features integrated Intel UHD graphics, it's perfect for everyday tasks and productivity. With 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and an expandable 512GB SSD, you have ample room for storage. And the 14-inch WUXGA IPS display with 300 nits brightness ensures clarity and vibrant visuals. All these features come together at a competitive price of 68,990 rupees, making it a solid choice for those on a budget. So that's all for today. And if you are looking to buy these laptops, the links are provided in the description. Go check them out. And if you find this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.